Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So actually, first of all, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi because the internet connection is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on this three bars icon and click on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got all updates pending. We've got 26 apps to update. If you want to update all of them, just tap on Update All and all of them will be downloaded and updated. But if you want to update only one of it or two, then find it in the list. For example, I don't know, maybe the Gmail, and tap on Update. As you can see, it disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So that's all. This is how to update apps in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.